So Ate is gonna make a green bean casserole. See if you can see it.
Nice. Freaking
So we got, what do we got here?
giant.
Mushroom soup.
2 cans.
2 cans of mushroom soup. And this is, what do you call that? Food. Dried onion, right?
Yes.
Dehydrated onions. And then milk.
I'm gonna text Dad real quick, see if it's 1 or 2 cans of milk.
Just put 2.
Do I trust you though?
Ate doesn't trust my cooking because I don't measure anything. I just eyeball every single thing when I cook. And that's me. And it seems to come out okay. Oh, hello, Jerome. You want to join the cooking lesson?
Ipangit.
So we got a green beans. We're steaming some green beans right here. You can see very hot. So Ate made the mixture. Then put some salt and pepper on it.
Yep.
You're gonna put it on now, or mix it with the green beans later.
You put a little bit on now, and then when the green beans are finished, you put it on top.
Okay. So Ate's doing the green bean casserole. I'm just gonna let her do her thing. I'm just the videographer. Is that right?
I'll let you make up your English. I enjoy it.
Oh, come on.
I greatly enjoy your.
It's classic. It's my Asian English.
A little bit more.
Okay, so we got the green beans already. It's already boiled or steamed. So now Ate is gonna put the mixture. Go right ahead, Ate. And then grab a spatula and mix it. Some spatula. Okay. Stir. Stir. There you go. You can add more your dried onion, please. There you go, salt and pepper.
I want to get them just done. Oh yeah, that's
I'll let you do this part, Mom.
Just do 10. Always 10.
what?
Salt and pepper.
Oh, you don't want to do it, Jill? You worrying about overdoing it? Just put the salt in your hand. It's the only one you're gonna overdo anyways, right?
That's over 10. 20?
Oh well, you're not gonna overdo the pepper.
Then you put it in That's the right.
Before you went to the airport, nope. New York steak.
New York steak.
Yep. So,
Okay, we are having a
pepper
New
steak.
York steak for our big girl's birthday. So this is the rub that we made. Just use your hand.
that I got for the housewarming present. It works amazing.
It's a 20-year-old
Let me clean
regular
it.
barbecue. And we're gonna barbecue a
It's mighty used. Use lots. Works good. First burner lasted 18 years. Cast iron grills. Very seasoned. No porcelain
Very
on them
clean.
babies.
very clean. And this is a wooden scraper rather than the brush because we're scared to get some of the wire.
You don't want any bristles. You gotta watch out for that.
And look what we got. That's
New York
a
steak.
New York steak for our baby girl's birthday dinner. And there you go. They're in. All right, let's check our steaks.
Flip my quarter turn.
And we're gonna have a
Gonna flip my quarter turn. Nice grill marks going on there.
yeah. All right. Ooh. Okay.
For these prawns, you're going to want to use a really hot cast iron pan. It's smoking hot. This happens really fast. You want to use cast iron because it holds the heat. Got her macking hot. Drain the prawns. You're not going to flip these or move them. Get them in. Let them get started. Want that pan to stay hot. Ooh, this is a lot of prawns. Put her on high. Girl, keep that in the steak. I'll keep it off. It's good there. And let those get going. Super hot pan. Gonna put garlic, red pepper, salt, some whipping cream and butter. But we don't want to put the butter in the hot pan, it will burn. Put the garlic in the hot pan, it will burn. Get the peppers in now and we can salt them so that's done. Red peppers. Salt. Using cream cheese, a little bit of salt. A little bit of regular pepper. Hitting them with a fair amount of garlic powder. That'll start burning immediately. So we want to put our butter in. Now we hit her with the cream. Got to be hot enough to boil. And there it goes. Now you can move them around. And they're finished cooking. Just like that.
Asparagus, what do you do?
Just asparagus. Right there. Get that going. turn that off. That's done. Yep. Those will just finish cooking in there.
Yeah. You're creamy.
Nice garlic cream sauce. Salt. Pepper. We'll do one more thing here. Hello? A little bit butter. Half a lemon. Okay.
And your potato. Everything is all going in so fast. Potato.
Green bean casserole.
Green bean casserole made by the birthday girl.
Let's stop it now.
All right, time to eat.
Yep.
So everyone's busy eating their meal. And that's the combo.
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah,
Thank you.
have-
Tito, anything to drink?
No, I'm good.
How was it, Mom?
Here.
Oh, she's busy.
Quit talking, start eating.
What do you think, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
And that's our birthday
People will be
girls'
hungry.
dinner. Oh yeah. There you go. Time to eat. Happy birthday, Chow.
Thank you.